Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Adobe XD and creating a new file sized for your target, e.g., 1440 x 1024. Once done, set an 8px grid and a 12-column layout so spacing stays consistent. This speeds alignment and responsive planning. Next, import fonts and logo assets and add color hex values to the Assets panel. Make sure to name your layers and components now. Doing so prevents confusion as screens multiply. This gets you from blank canvas to structured workspace you can iterate on quickly. You now construct reusable components, header, navigation, buttons, and content cards, so changes propagate across all artboards. Use Repeat Grid for lists and Auto-Animate for simple transitions. These tools cut iteration time. Apply responsive resize rules and test at multiple breakpoints to ensure layouts adapt. Once components exist, add named states like default, hover, and active in the Assets panel. This helps when prototyping interactions. Keep a small symbol library to maintain visual consistency and speed future projects. You finish by wiring interactions. Link artboards, choose triggers, tap, drag, and set easing and duration to communicate timing. Then preview on desktop and mirror to a mobile device to validate flow and hit areas. Once tests are clear, optimize and export assets as SVG for icons and PNG for images, and generate a cloud share link for stakeholders. If prototypes act strangely, clear component overrides and reapply the base state. That fix resolves most behavior issues and restores expected interactions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.